Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you delete your Instagram account permanently on your mobile phone. So for this, you just need to go on your Instagram, and this setting is quite easy and simple to do. So what you have to do, you have to go on the right bottom of the screen, called your profile option here, and click on the three dots on the top right of screen. Click on setting and privacy. Just do it like this. Is my profile here, and I will go on ownership and control, account ownership and control. Just click on it, and then you can see memorialization and deactivation or deletion. You can do both from this menu. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.